Okay, so I really wanted to stress the incredible opportunity that we have right now in 2018, 2019, 2020, for the next 5 to 10 years, where we have this insane giant of a company, Amazon, rising up and giving us the opportunity to sell on its platform to make so much money for ourselves. We have the opportunity to grow with it. So this is in its really nascent phase. You know, they've been around. They've been doing this e-commerce and private labeling, FBA, for about 10 years now, seriously. And they're going to be doing it, my prediction is for 50 to 100 plus years. And it really is starting to take off now, and which is why I wanted to show you this really cool comparison that I've come across in order to hopefully motivate you to get started and motivate you to take advantage of this opportunity like I have, like Evan has, like hundreds of our students now have and are seeing incredible results from. So you can see here on my screen, I'm on the Walmart homepage. So, I mean, most people should be familiar with Walmart. It's a ridiculously big company. And of course, they sell basically everything. They're the everything store of the retail world. And if you haven't shopped in a Walmart, it is pretty fun and incredible to do. But you can see they sell everything, similar to Amazon. But the thing about Walmart is that they take a much higher margin, and they're much harder to get into. So to be able to sell in Walmart, if your friend came to you and said, "Hey, we just got our product into Walmart," you'd be ridiculously happy for them. You'd go crazy. You guys would celebrate, pop some champagne, however you celebrate. And if you got your product into Walmart, it's normally just people go crazy, people celebrate, and you think that you've made it because your product is in retail or your product's in Whole Foods, or another one, something that people celebrate and is a big company, is something like Target. If you can get your products into these stores, you are going to do really well. I will give you that much. But it's not as cool as being able to get your product into Amazon. And I wanted to show you, because it's very, very easy to list a product on Amazon and sell in Amazon. But I want to show you this really cool graph right here. And I'm going to go full screen. This is the Amazon market value compared to Walmart, Target, Macy's, Best Buy, Kohl's, all these other ridiculously big retail brands. And the crazy thing to look at is just the size. Amazon is almost double all of those brands put together. And the crazy thing is they are so new. This is the market value from 2006, where Amazon was worth just $7.5 billion, and they're now worth $700 billion. They're predicted to be the first company to be worth $1 trillion. They just passed Apple as the #1 most valuable company in the world, and they're not stopping. Their growth is not slowing down, and they're growing faster and harder than every single company in history. It is the history's biggest company, and we have the opportunity to sell on there our own products and leverage their customer base and leverage all their advertising. So I mean, I don't know about you, but I love teaming up with the biggest giant out there. And you can see, like, compared to Walmart, when you say, "Hey, I got my product into Walmart," Amazon is so much bigger. The opportunity on Amazon is so much bigger. Sure, there's a little bit of extra competition, but I mean, check out the training in the bio, because we show you how to overcome this competition. It's very, very easy to get to the top of Amazon if you know what you're doing. A lot of people say it's saturated these days. A lot of people say like the golden era is over, but if you know how to beat the competition, which is a very, very simple process, and if you want the full training on that, I mean, you subscribe to the right channel, but also get the take the training, the 2-hour free training, how I made $124,000 in 30 days on Amazon FBA, in the bio right now to get a full walkthrough that's completely free. Evan and I walk through how I did that, but that'll show you how to outrank these competitors. And anyone who says it's saturated is just doesn't know how to sell a high quality product on Amazon. A lot of people launch products that already exist, and we can go over to Amazon right now, and I'll show you what I mean. If I go right over here, if I type in Tupperware, you're going to see Tupperware. Jungle Scout it real quick, because they do a lot of money. Very, very popular item. You can see they got hundreds of thousands of dollars. A lot of people making a lot of money. But the problem is people are like, "Oh, Tupperware makes a lot of money, I'm going to launch Tupperware." And they don't use the criteria that we teach, and they don't use the product eclipse, making sure your product is better than the one next to yours. And therefore, they think that Amazon is saturated because they are not actually making money, because their product is just another generic product. And you're going to see as I scroll through here, there's going to be a lot of generic products that aren't making money. You can see there's 74 pages, and a little Amazon hack in here is you can change the page using the URL without having to scroll through all the pages. Now we're on page 30, and you can see you have more of the same stuff, more of the same stuff, more of the same stuff. But if you go back to page 1, so if you look here at something like this Fit Packer, you can see this person has separated themselves from every other generic looking product. This listing is incredible. You can see they got that nice big box with the 16 pack coming up here. They got tons of reviews because they have this superior product. Their marketing is going to be, they seem to be out of stock. Is that right? Yeah, they just ran out of stock because that's just the demand of it. And if you can create a product, it doesn't have to be this advanced. It can be very, very simple. And I show you my exact first product that took me from, I invested $1,500 and made $36,000 in the first 3 months from it. That is all in that training that I've been talking about earlier. So you can see the exact product that I took and how I made a slight improvement. It could just be a color improvement. It could be a shape improvement. It could just be the brand name. Fit Packer is an incredible name for this, because this is a lot of bodybuilders want to use these to ration their meals. So something like Fit Packer, I mean, people can relate well to it. This is an incredible product, and you only need to do about 10% of what this product has done, especially if you don't choose one of the world's most competitive markets. If we went, and we can do also a little product finding exercise together. Fetal Doppler, I don't know what that is. That is a sound amplifier for babies, to hear the baby in the stomach, which is kind of cool. They got a nice price point there. If we sort by revenue, this is a Jungle Scout Pro extension, by the way, which you can get in the description. You can see this looks like a good product. Look at these reviews in here. Very, very low reviews. People making lots and lots of money. I mean, that's how easy it is to find one of these products. If you launch a product in here, you can see you don't have to really crush your product that well to make a lot of money. You just need a slight advancement, a slight tweak on these products. But the real thing is that I want to say that the Walmart, Target, all these brick and mortar stores, you can see the pattern. Amazon's the future. E-commerce is the future. Everyone's moving to buying online. And in the next 5, 10, 15 years, that's where everyone's going to go. So it's your opportunity right now to take that real estate, to solidify your brand on Amazon. So as it gets bigger and bigger, you are the go-to product in your niche. So make sure you take the training in the description and join the Facebook group. That's down there too. All these resources are for you to help you launch your first product to $10,000 a month. So make sure you make best use of them. I hope this helps. I hope this gives you some perspective, and I hope this helps you take action and become one of the next success stories. So thanks for watching.